Still spending hours creating PowerPoint presentations from scratch? What if AI could build a professional presentation in less than a minute? Meet Gamma AI, an AI-powered presentation tool that creates beautiful slides from a simple prompt. It helps you spend less time designing and more time sharing your ideas. All you need to do is type your topic or paste your notes. Gamma instantly turns your ideas into a complete presentation with organized content and professional layouts. Instead of staring at a blank slide, you get a polished presentation in seconds. The AI even suggests titles, sections, and supporting content automatically. Whether you're preparing a business proposal, school assignment, sales pitch, or training session, Gamma can handle it. It adapts the presentation based on the topic you provide. One of Gamma's biggest strengths is its modern design. Every presentation looks clean, professional, and visually appealing without needing graphic design skills. If you're not happy with the first version, simply ask Gamma to rewrite or improve it. You can expand, shorten, or completely redesign your presentation using simple instructions. Changing colors, themes, and layouts takes only a few clicks. Everything updates automatically without having to edit every single slide. Students can use Gamma to create assignments and classroom presentations much faster. Teachers can prepare engaging lesson materials without spending hours formatting slides. Business professionals can create client proposals, company reports, and investor presentations in minutes. Freelancers can impress clients with professional-looking presentations while saving valuable time. Another great feature is that Gamma supports interactive documents as well as presentations. You can easily share your work using a simple web link instead of sending large files. Need a PowerPoint or PDF version? Gamma lets you export your presentation in multiple formats for meetings, classrooms, or offline presentations. Gamma also offers a free plan, making it easy to explore its features before upgrading. For most everyday users, the free version is more than enough to get started. Of course, Gamma isn't perfect for every situation. Highly customized presentations may still need a few manual adjustments after the AI finishes. If you regularly create presentations for work, school, or business, Gamma can save you hours every week. It's one of those AI tools that quickly becomes part of your daily workflow. So is Gamma AI worth trying? If you want faster presentations with less effort and professional results, it's definitely a tool worth exploring. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mind and Money. Join us for more AI tools that help you work smarter, save time, and stay ahead.